Hello everyone, we present to you a collection of cinematic grain vintage overlays. Use them for title sequences, overlays, or full-length scenes to add continuity and visual interest. Simply drag and drop the overlays onto your timeline and use blending modes like overlay or screen for instant cinematic results. Created in full HD and 4K resolution, they ensure your visuals remain sharp and professional across all screen sizes. Whether you're aiming for a 70s film vibe, classic Hollywood look, or indie film style, this pack gives you the flexibility to achieve it with ease.
Audio Jungle.